Even if you are not drawing on layer 0, having messy layers can cause big problems. Poor layer organization makes your drawing hard to manage, edit, and share. But why this is a mistake? First, using names just like layer number 1 or new layer creates confusion. Second, in large files, it's hard to find what you need. Third, your plot might look bad if colors and line weights aren't set properly. And finally, if you're working in a team, others will waste time figuring out your system. But what a good layer system looks like. Always use clear names, just like walls, doors, text, or dimensions. If you're working on complex files, group layers by category, just like A wall. A is for architectural, or S column. S is for structural, and you can use M for mechanical or E for electronical. Set consistent colors and line weights. It helps both on screen and in your printed plots. You can also use layer filters to show or hide groups of layers easily. Here is a drawing with bad layer names. As you see, we have layer number 1, my layer, new layer. But let's fix it. We rename the layers to walls, doors, dimes, and so on. Clear and simple. Then we set colors and line weights for each one. Let's try isolating just the doors layer. One click, and we are focused on what we need. Good layer structure saves time, remove confusion, and makes everything easier to understand. You can create a template file, DWT, with your preferred layer. It helps you to, manage your layer for any new document. Lock or freeze reference layers so you don't change them by mistake. Keep a simple document on your layer naming rules, especially for theme work. So, a good layer setup isn't just for looks. It saves time, avoid mistakes, and keeps your project organized. Set your layers early and stay consistent.